This lesson is about cut, copy, paste, which is basically the essence of using a computer. Every time you're at the computer, you're going to be cutting, copying, pasting text somewhere. So let's go ahead and review the process. First of all, I'm going to draw your attention up to the home ribbon. On the very left-hand side is a group called Clipboard. In this group, we have the paste. Now, whenever we select text, we can cut it, we can copy it, and then we have to paste it. But I just want to point out the paste is the biggest button on the set because I want you to see it. Notice when I flip my mouse there, a tooltip pops up underneath that says Control V as in Victor. That's a keyboard command, so you can hit the button or you can press the keyboard command, your personal preference. Now the little pair of scissors next to it, that is cut. And notice the tooltip says Control X, and the little twin pieces of paper, that is copy, Control C. Now there's another way to do this as well. We could also access those same buttons on the right click. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll into this document so you can see that I've got it all written out what I need you to do. We're going to select this paragraph. That means click into the paragraph, then triple click 1, 2, 3. That'll select the entire paragraph. Next, we're going to copy. So you have the option. I could come up here to the little button that says copy. I could press Control C on my keyboard, which you don't even see me do, but I just did it. Or I could right click and I could choose copy way up on top. I'll go ahead and do that method, copy. Now notice nothing happens on your screen and it still stays there. So you might think it didn't work. Oh, yes, it did. It's just floating on a clipboard waiting for you to paste. The instructions say you paste it above the black original paragraph. So this is a top one. So I'm going to go ahead and click right in front of that. I'm going to hit enter just once to push that paragraph down, and I'm going to paste. Again, I could come up here to the button, the paste button. I could press Control V as in Victor, or I could right click, and these little clipboards, see this clipboard matches the one up on the top left. So I'll hit paste. Actually, we do have many other options, but I'm going to use this first one, paste. There we go. We just pasted the blue one. Okay, let's go to the next instruction, the green paragraph. This time, we are going to select the paragraph again, triple click into the paragraph, and this time we're going to cut this and we're going to paste it above the black original paragraph. And again, there's 3 ways to do that. So I'll go ahead and cut this with Control X. Actually, I'll do a right click and I'll choose cut, the little scissors right up here, cut. Now this time something did happen. It actually vanished from your screen. Remember, it's on the clipboard just waiting for you to paste it. Now the instruction was to put it above the black paragraph, so I'll click right above it, and this time I'll paste. Again, I could hit the button on the home ribbon, I could Control V as in Victor, or I could come right over here and hit paste. There we go. All right, now the very last instruction is one more practice, copy this orange paragraph. So I'm going to triple click it, 1, 2, 3. This time I'm going to copy it. So I'll go ahead and choose right click, copy, which means it's going to stay on my screen where it's at, but I do have a copy of it waiting to be pasted. And this time, a little curveball. I'm going to have you paste it below the black paragraph, but I want you to merge formatting. Now, what does that mean? So I'm going to click below the black paragraph, and this time I'm going to right click, and I want you to observe all those little clipboards. Now, if I just float my mouse on this first one, it's going to paste it in as orange. But look what happens on the next one. When I float my mouse there, it says merge formatting. It's going to paste it in, but it's going to merge with the formatting above it. Kind of love that button. So I'll go ahead and hit that one, and there we go. That saved me some work. I didn't have to change the orange to black. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. Please pull out this exercise file and practice on your own.